Welcome to Middlesex Community College's Learning Library on AI tools for higher education professionals. This video tutorial introduces the AI Assessment Architect, powered by Claude AI. This tool is designed for instructors who want to define the type and extent of AI use permitted in a specific assignment. Clearly communicating expectations for AI use is essential to ensure alignment with the assignment's learning outcomes. Before using this tool, we recommend creating a basic Claude AI account.
On the landing page of this tool, you will immediately see two sections. The first is the assignment context screen. Here is where the instructor will paste the instructions for the assignment that he or she is redesigning. Below that is the section where the instructor selects the level of AI integration preferred.
First, paste in the assignment instructions. Then select the appropriate tier. Once the appropriate tier is selected, click Generate Guidance. The assessment architect will generate a sample addendum to the original instructions, clarifying the permitted level of AI use. Equally important, it explains the instructor's rationale for any limitations. This fosters a meaningful dialogue between teacher and student and creates a teachable moment to encourage a thoughtful approach to AI in education. The instructor can edit the sample text by simply clicking the Edit button on the top left of the generated guidance section. Below the generated text is additional text to highlight permitted and prohibited uses of AI for the assignment. Highlights can be revised by dragging and dropping preset permission terms. Instructors may also create custom options to define permitted and prohibited uses. If you chose to change the permitted and prohibited uses, remember to click Update Policy to ensure the changes are saved. When all the changes needed are made, click the Copy button in the upper right corner of the landing page. This will enable you to first copy all the new text and paste it into the original assignment instructions. If you have questions or suggestions, please reach out to Peter Shea, the Assistant Dean for AI Integration.